Using accordions in Antilles is an easy way to organize your information. Adding an accordion is simple. While editing any page, position your cursor within your text where you want to add the set of accordions. Click on the Insert Template button and the first option will be Accordions. Click OK to insert the accordion template. By default, every set of accordions gives you 3 entries. Placeholder titles and content are already provided. You can simply replace the text with your own. Within the accordions, you can rearrange them by moving them up or down. Move up will move the accordion above the previous entry. Move down will move it below the next entry. Click the hyphen to remove an entry. Above the accordions, you will see 2 icons. The red trash icon will remove the entire accordion set. The plus sign will insert a new entry at the bottom of the current set. Don't forget to save your accordion.